Hi bestie, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share my experience building my dream car online and how do I avoid new car premium adjustment. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll show you on the side-by-side screen so we have better visual to compare colors and which option is preferred. I've always admired black on Mercedes, but the white stands out more if I'm going to do the night package. Let's compare which color is best for me. Since we live here in the south and we don't get as much snow, I think it'll be more efficient for me to get the 350 SUV. Some dealerships have told me there is a new car market premium around 3 to 5 grand added to the price of your car. So, I would suggest you to check a couple dealerships before you order it. And if you want a car now, you might want to pay a little more to get it. If you're not comfortable paying extra, you can order and wait. I ordered mine back in October 2021 and get it by February 2022. The 21-inch AMG multi-spoke rims with the black accent look attractive and sporty in this car. And in order to add this feature, I have to add the AMG Line exterior with night package. This package includes AMG body styling and gloss black exterior accent. I don't think that I need the illuminated running boards because I love how cool the AMG side skirt look. I think I should get the chrome load seal to protect my bumper. I'm gonna stick with the black interior again this time. Ooh, love the gray oak wood. I'll go ahead and choose that one. Based on my last Mercedes, Burmester has amazing sound. So I have to get the premium package. Premium package comes bundled with parking package with surround view system and household type 115-volt power outlet. Don't forget to get the wheel locks to protect the rims. Let me know on the comment below which color you like. Both look very attractive, but I think I like the white better. Very cool ambient lighting. Look at that 12.3 inches screen. Looks very cool. Let's go over everything and make sure everything I need listed here. All done now. I just have to print it or email it to the dealership. Now I'm going to show you if we do it from the phone. Stay tuned. Doing it on the phone is quite simple as well. It'll be $4,400 to add these 21-inch AMG rims with the night package. I really love this rim, it looks more aggressive. $175 to add the load seal protector. If you choose leather, you must add the front passenger seat memory too. Here's the look of the black leather interior with the gray oak wood. Premium package includes Burmester surround sound system, parking package with surround view system, and household type 115-volt power outlet. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.